In this section, you learned how natural language processing is leveraged for threat intelligence, providing key insights from large datasets to identify potential threats and vulnerabilities. You explored sentiment analysis in cyber defense, recognizing its role in parsing public and private communications to gauge threat levels and predict cyber attacks. The section covered text classification and clustering, where you gained skills in categorizing and grouping text data, enhancing the ability to detect and respond to security incidents swiftly. Additionally, NLP for phishing detection was discussed, focusing on identifying deceptive communications and safeguarding against phishing attacks. You also delved into the theoretical limits of NLP in cybersecurity, understanding the constraints and challenges that come with applying NLP technologies in this domain. By mastering these concepts, you have gained a comprehensive understanding of how NLP can significantly enhance cybersecurity measures and the practical skills to implement these techniques effectively.